Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to change or how to switch default browser for another one if you have multiple in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down a bit to the apps menu, and here we have default apps section. And we have default apps for other functions as well. Phones app, colors, ID, spams, wallets, etc. And the browser is here. So as you can see, I have Chrome installed other than the default app. So I can choose whichever I prefer. I can also have here Firefox or every other browser that I installed. And the same for other phones functions in one simple menu. That's pretty much it. Goodbye.